Good morning. Let's see if I can get a fire going, get a little coffee going. Barry has some eggs and sausage, I think. See if I can get a fire going. So he gets up, we can make that up. You know me, get some coffee going to kind of start my day. Coffee's gonna be done in a bit. Gets my juices going. Ooh, don't fall in the fire. As always, guys, a little fresh roasted 803 Outpost coffee. Gotta check it out. If you're a coffee person, it'll put a smile on your face. Damn, I love that smell. Just like that, coffee is ready. Damn, that's a good cup of coffee. Yeah, you can see just a little bit up. It's some Forest Service trucks. I don't know if they're working on the road or what the deal is, but I was wondering why it was a little bit louder over here. I'm gonna finish up the coffee, guys, kind of chill, probably start packing up a little bit and have breakfast. So we will we'll see you in a little bit here. I've had it down to officially about -1, but that'd be the far. Just about packed up, ready to hit the road. But beforehand, we're gonna have some breakfast, chill a little bit, make sure I got everything, and hop back on the bike for a little joyride.
This one's scared. See that?
Oh yeah, they don't want to get in that fire. Check out breakfast there, man. Oh my gosh. Yep. Special thank goes out to Barry for getting this going.
Yeah. Come to your campsite anytime.
You are officially invited. We are all packed up, guys, ready to get on the road. Barry, thanks for the amazing breakfast. We're gonna hit the road and find out. Like I said, we got a lot of construction around here. We're gonna go see what the heck is happening. Here's that construction. It was literally in our back door. Crazy beginning to day 2 of this adventure. If you haven't seen day 1, we had some roller coasters. I'll put a link up here. Check that out. Minus the construction, everything was fantastic. We had steaks last night, sat, just relaxed around the campfire. Good day's ride on the adventure route here in South Carolina through a bunch of sand. Today we'll probably get back on a little sand here. Just talked to a National Park ranger over here. They're doing some controlled burns here today. Should not affect us, is what he's given us. So Should be an open ride and clear to go. Gonna hit some gravel, have some fun, and see where the heck we end up at. I got about an hour to play around, then I gotta get back to the house. Should be a fun little ride this morning though. Love these national forest roads. Just a chance to get out in the middle of nowhere and ride. Won't see anybody around. The Himalayan is just so comfortable and easy to ride out here. Man, it'd be quiet living out here. It's an official national forest road in Francis Marion National Forest. That's got to be a nice, quiet way of living. Pushing by the end of this trip, actually by the end of this week, we'll be over 5,000 miles on the Himalayan. 5,000 extremely fun miles. Had a little hiccup along the way, but that's gonna happen. This bike just, like, I keep saying I should make a shirt out of this or something, but just exudes confidence. It's the higher ground clearance for its size, but low center of gravity. All the weight's really low. It saved me a lot of times. Just, you can build a lot of comfort up on these things pretty damn fast. Man, it is beautiful out here. Let's have some fun. That's awesome. Whole group of wild turkeys. Oh, we got somebody coming here. Well, that was another national forest guy, but I don't think they're doing the burn down here. At least I'm hoping not. That would change this video up quite a bit. But he said this road, this section should be clear. All right, now this is my style. Nobody is out here. This is gonna be fun. This is just fantastic. In the middle of nowhere. Wish my maps are working a little better, but what are you going to do? We are having some fun. Somewhere in the Francis Marion, just the back roads. Let's see if we end up on a larger gravel or not, but this is a lot of fun. This is why we are out here. We're going to take a left here soon, probably a larger road, I'd assume. All right, that was a good spot. That was fun and crazy. Probably the hardest bump I've taken. Yeah, that one sent me a flying. That that was fun. The Himalayan suspension, I mean, for everything that I've hit, just does fantastic. That was definitely a good one. Guess I should definitely check my luggage. Everything looks good back there too. Ooh, buddy. Let's go play. That was a ride. It does not look like many people come out on these roads. This is right on the South Carolina Adventure Route, the SCAR, so probably a lot of cycles, but with all these weeds, it looks like nothing else is happening out here. Let's see what we got here. Some type of forest road intersection. We are clear. Back to a little more standard of a road. No crazy surprises probably here. I would say that was the perfect example of my little theme of not overdriving my skills. That road was clear, straight, could have done any speed I wanted on it, even though there was, I mean, the road wasn't in the best condition, nobody drives it. It was easy to ride, and at about 30 is where I kept it, and that was a big bump. If I would have picked up the speed, I don't know what happened there, so I'm gonna continue to follow my thing there. Never overdrive your skills, guys. Just get out here and have some fun. Stay safe. Where we're getting to the edge. A few small towns coming up. I'll stop and get some gas, something cold to drink. Beautiful little house over there. This is a really nice area. That's that crazy mix of just nice pine forest, swamp, and a lot of creeks to kayak. It's definitely something I love to do. A few more miles of this, I think I should run into a gas station. I hope it's hunting season. I see a lot of guns beside the road. It's about my 5th one here, walking the line. What in the heck? Alright. Alright, let's get some petro. We have cleared National Forest. That means we are in the beautiful town of St. Stephen's, South Carolina. Fuel up here, get something to drink, and we'll take highway back to the house from here. No interstate, just the fun stuff. No caffeine for the road. One of the best things about riding the back roads of South Carolina, if you haven't been out here before, is they're just forest everywhere, beautiful trees, pines, and just swamps, and then these beautiful kayak ready, canoe ready rivers. Just constantly, you're just constantly going over them. guys, we are back at the shop in the tiny house. Wow, that was a fun trip. Fantastic ride and great weather. Oh, we're gonna get unpacked, wrap this up. Man, thanks for coming along for the journey, for the overnight. I'll put the first video up here as well so you can watch the very interesting ride out to the campsite. But alright guys, have a great night again. Don't forget to like and comment. I much appreciate that. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe and hit the little bell button. Come along for the journey. We're going to have some fun. We're going to do some stuff, guys. And I'll put together a little video about how I pack Draven here in my Himalayan and what I bring along with me camping. All right. Have a great night.